Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 9:29. I was in this trade for 6 minutes. Let's recap. This is PLTR on the 1 minute chart. The red line is the high of the previous day. So open here. And I went bearish because it formed this wedge flag here. Not just because it formed this pattern, it's because the top, it formed a new high, touch and reject with this pattern. I'm breaking here. My entry was here. My target was down here and the stop was up there. And that's the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup and execute without forcing anything. I exit based on my rules, not emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stay disciplined. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.